everybody. It's so good to be with you. I hope you're all safe and well. And thank you for taking the time to watch our video on the safekeeping box. So, whether we realize it or not as teachers, it is not our job to control children. When we try to control children, that usually creates anger, frustration, and it takes away a child's ability to problem solve on their own and to be cooperative and to be committed to the safety of the classroom. So really, what our job is as a teacher, the most important job we have, is to have children feel safe when they're with us. Because when a child feels loved and safe, they actually have the ability to problem solve, to learn, to be creative, to be cooperative. So that is why the safekeeping box is so important. So we're going to start this on the very first day of school, and I know a lot of teachers use it as their attendance, a way to take attendance. But you can take any box. This is just a little cardboard box that we've decorated, and we put on the top safekeeper box. And then inside the box is our mantra. My job is to keep it safe. Your job is to help keep it safe. And then what we do is we have the children decorate themselves, and they can write their names. If they can't do it, you can write their names for them. Sometimes we take photographs of the children and then we put them on top of the sticks. You can use popsicle sticks. But it is important for the child in the beginning of the school day, and we're going to start this on the first day of school, to literally put their person into the safekeeping box. We want them to make that actual effort because that's part of their commitment. As they're putting themselves into the safekeeping box, we know, and they also know, that that's their commitment, that it's their job. They're going to have to help keep it safe. So some of the language that we want to use is safety language. So let's say Johnny left all of his toys on the floor, didn't pick them up when it was time to clean up. So instead of reprimanding Johnny on not doing something, what we would use is the language of Johnny. You left all of your toys on the floor and that's not safe. Somebody could trip and fall of them, so please clean up your area. Or if there's an argument between two children, somebody gets pushed, our language would be, okay, Sally, it's hurtful to push someone. That is not keeping it safe. And then maybe, and hopefully, we can pose the question to them, how can we do that differently and do it in a helpful way and not a hurtful way? Because that is really our commitment to being safe. We want the classroom to be safe. We want children to be safe. The adult in the room has to always remember that composure begins with us. We have to always remember that star breathing. Take a deep breath. If things start getting out of control and we get a little frustrated, we're going to take those deep breaths and remember that these are opportunities to teach. Conflict is an opportunity to teach a child a skill that they do not know. So this is hopefully helpful to you in the classroom. You're starting off your day with a safekeeper box and making sure that your children are committed to safety. I hope you have a great day. I hope you have a great year in your classroom, and I look forward to seeing you again. Bye now.